In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to improve your LinkedIn profile. If you want your LinkedIn profile to sound clearer, more professional, and more aligned with the kind of work you're targeting, this process can help you organize your experience and present it more effectively. The goal here is not to let AI invent your story, but to use it as a writing assistant to sharpen what is already true about your background. Start by copying the important information from your current LinkedIn profile. This includes your headline, about section, work experience, key accomplishments, and any other sections you want to improve. Having everything in one place makes the process faster and helps you give ChatGPT the full context it needs. Next, open ChatGPT and explain your target job, your industry, and your professional goals. Be as clear as possible about the types of roles you want, the skills you want to emphasize, and the impression you want your profile to make. This context is important because strong LinkedIn writing should be tailored to where you want to go, not just where you've been. Then paste in your current headline and ask ChatGPT to improve it. A good headline should be concise, specific, and focused on value. It should quickly tell people what you do and what strengths you bring. After that, ask ChatGPT to create an About section that highlights your experience and value. This section should sound professional, but still feel human. It's your chance to connect your background, strengths, and goals in a way that makes someone want to learn more about you. From there, provide your job, responsibilities, and accomplishments. The more specific you are, the better the result will be. Then ask ChatGPT to rewrite them using clear, results-focused language. This is especially useful if your current experience section feels too generic or task-based. Strong LinkedIn descriptions usually show impact, not just duties. You can also request a list of relevant LinkedIn skills and keywords. This helps your profile align better with the kinds of searches recruiters and hiring managers may use. If it applies to your profile, ask ChatGPT to improve your featured and services sections as well. These areas can strengthen your profile by making your expertise and offerings easier to understand at a glance. Before you use any of the new content, review every claim carefully to make sure it is accurate. This step is essential. Always remove anything exaggerated, incorrect, or misleading. Finally, edit the content so it sounds natural and personal, then copy the final versions into the appropriate LinkedIn sections. Once everything is updated, your profile should feel more polished, more targeted, and more compelling.